Fix Gamepad controller not working when you launch Forza Horizon 6. First try, reconnect your Gamepad controller. Disconnect, and make sure you inserted USB port color blue or red. And test your controller if it works. If still not working, go to Device Manager and update your controller. Next, go to Steam and enable all input controller. Make sure your controller showing here and connected. Enable all and start Force Update all connected controller. Go to Game. Right-click, Properties. Controller. Make sure disable all this Steam input per game override. That's it. Before you launch, reconnect your controller. Always remember, if you play Forza Horizon 6 again and your controller is not working again, the first thing you should do is reconnect your controller. Don't forget to like and subscribe.